What's going on, guys? This is a 2022 Raptor 700 RSE. Just took the skid plates off. It's looking clean. It's pretty much brand new. Got about 5 hours on it. So you just unbolt those two bolts. Those two down there, and then the bottom one's even easier. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 10 mils, and then it's a 10 mil socket. And then number 5 hex head, Allen key. Got the new ones from Ricochet. Custom. Very nice. I didn't like that they put the sticker on. I got the glue on, trying to take the sticker glue off. Okay, guys, so for the install instruction, for the 6 mil bolt, you're gonna need a T40 Torx. For the 8 mil bolt, you're gonna need a T30. So for the 8 mil bolt, a T30. Sorry for it's the paper moving. For the 10 mil, you're gonna, oh no, this is for the 1/4 by 20, 7/16 socket. Then for the 10 mil, you're gonna need a 17 socket. For the 8 mil, you're gonna need a 13 socket. And then where was that one? Then for the 6 mil, you're gonna need a 10 mil socket. And then of course you're gonna need your wrench. Blue thread locker. Okay, guys, so we're gonna put on the bottom skid plate first. This one is labeled as 573 BL. You're gonna use the 4 bolts that came in the bag. So these are these are probably 7. Are these the 10? Let me see. Yeah, these are the 10. Yeah, these are the 10 mil. So on these ones, you'll be using the 10 mil. You're gonna wanna put your lock nut and then your washer, just like that. All right, guys, so for this one, you're gonna wanna put it this way. It's gonna line up, lines up really flawless. You're gonna wanna take your nut. First, you're gonna wanna put a thread locker on it. So I'm using blue. This is the, what do you call it? Paste one. Just put a little thread locker, just like that. Take it. These do have lock nuts too, so thread locker is gonna help, but the lock nuts are gonna hold their own. So put that on, put a little thread locker on this one. Pretty simple to install the bottom one. Probably definitely the simplest one. Put some on this one, like I've been saying. The paste stuff is nice, but I am gonna install the drain plug reducer, but I just did change the oil. I'm gonna use the red liquid. I feel like it goes on the threads a little better. So we'll get all them on. Torque spec, there wasn't any, so I'm just gonna, just feel it. You'll definitely know. So we'll adjust this. Make sure it's all good. Make sure these are all lined up. Just want to line it up. Make sure it's right on the chain. Straight and good. Line her up. Kind of just tell on the chain. And she's good. And if you need to change it later, You kind of tell by the grease fitting too. Yeah, that was perfect. Check the brake disc. You're looking flawless. Take your wrench with your 10. There goes that socket flying all over. Grab it pretty close so you don't strip them because this is aluminum. I don't know if these are stainless or aluminum bolts. Good, you'll definitely feel it before you strip it. Just don't go too hard because you do have your lock nut and you got the Loctite, so these ain't coming off. Paper is going nuts. They came really good packaged. I just didn't like that they had the sticker, but so far they seem super quality because they're handmade in the States. So you guys should definitely check them out. And just go over them one more time, check them. Make sure your lock nuts are squished. And that one's good to go. All right, so the middle skid plate is 698. So you're gonna take your 698 bag. All right, guys, so the skid plate will hold itself up there. There's a little ridge on the top. Just make sure it don't fall off. You're gonna wanna take this bolt with this on there. It's gonna be this bolt, they're gonna be attached. Put a little blue thread locker on it. Definitely make sure you put a little blue. You're gonna come up right here in the middle. Put it on sideways. Screw her in. Thread locker will spread itself even. Don't have to worry about that. Make sure this thing is in. Just make sure that's in. This is gonna be a T40. Yeah, T40. T40. Looks really good. The fit and finish is really good. Except the bolts do go in crooked, but once you get them babies tight, solid. Little scratch, but it's aluminum, ain't gonna rot. Top ones fit flawless. Just make sure you line her up straight. Line it up straight down here with the frame. Look at it. Make sure this is in the middle and this bolt's in close to the middle. Got a lot of room to take out the drain pan. It's a beautiful looking skid plate. Bottom is beautiful too. That one was really easy to put on, really simple. Let's do the A-arms now. Okay, so for the A-arms, right there, you're gonna wanna use these. It's the 292, or my bad, 692A. They're gonna go in the front. There you go, guys. Plates are installed. Looking flawless. Solid. Just when you stand the bike up, if you're gonna stand it up, because I definitely won't be laying under there, just empty the gas tank out. That's all I did. Then when you push it back down, let it sit. I'm just gonna let it sit the whole day, just so the oil goes back in the motor and stuff. But yeah, these look really good. So, till next time, peace.